This is a fit for a 2015 through 2019 Subaru Outback Wagon with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets, which connect to the raised rails. This is part number KIT 4063. The bars are at a predetermined fixed location at 24 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 130 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.